here to the Florida Aquarium. Excuse me. Can I have a moment of your time? Okay. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, I am in Florida. Right now we are in Tampa. And we are going right to the Florida Aquarium. Oh, look at that. Right away, soft shell turtle. Right away we see something. There's probably more and we don't see them. I like that. Hello, hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you follow me over here, they have this giant area. Where to first? An extreme reef. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at that guy. That's cool. This right here is a mimic lemon peel tang. Wow. That's what I mean. Looks like we got some maybe shrimp up there. Shrimp, prawns, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of cool fish in here. Look at that.
Those are cool, huh?
This is insane. Oh, what is that? Oh, look at that guy right there. That's cool. There's like tons of different kinds of little fish in here. They're all like super colorful. Oh, this is the clownfish. Look at them. That's crazy. It's so cool in the black light. Definitely would recommend, honestly. What's crazy is that these are all alive. They're all organisms. Oh my God, that one's huge. Look at that. Come up here. Dude, look at that thing. That's huge. That's insane. I like that guy right there. He's cool. These guys are cool with the long jaws. They're fun. It's super colorful mandarin fish. It's just that I can't find it. Yeah. Ooh, there's a shrimp right here. What, a jellyfish? I think so. Oh. It's crazy, all the biodiversity and stinks. Tank.
Yeah.
Over here. Wow. Look at that. There's a stingray in there. Look at that one over there.
What? I just saw the stingray.
There's a giant one back there. I think that's the fish from that one video where he's trying to hammer a rock and it keeps getting in the way. All the way back there, you see it, the giant one? I think it might actually be that one. You seen that meme?
Oh, I see it. I see it's blue.
Yeah.
Even I saw the stingray, it went so fast.
There.
I see double stingrays.
That. Wow. That is awesome.
Fish right over there.
Look at
Yeah.
that.
All right. Here, let's go.
Over here, look at that.
Oh, there it is.
Is there turtles in here?
He's very soft.
Oh, there's a turtle. Right in there. You see it? A turtle.
Distance is good right now. I gotta fill it back up. Yeah, it works.
I think it is. See? I think it is that one fish.
It's just that net. I don't want to see a stingray.
There's a parrotfish.
Where?
Stingray?
Yeah.
Look, right there.
There it is.
Yeah. Parrotfish, I believe. See, look, I think it actually is that one fish. You see that? I think it is that one. Dang, that's huge. Probably like half the size of me. There's a turtle over there swimming around. Look at that.
They're all coming over here.
That's actually really cool.
Moxie turtle dissection. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Yeah, through all of the different organs, we have the intestine.
Look at him. There he goes.
Starting with the esophagus, stomach, and crop. A special organ meant to digest like green vegetables.
Look at that. They all came over here. That's so cool.
For all of that
Look at that guy.
goes down. Then I'll pop this back in the
Look at him, he's huge.
We can breathe.
That is
You can
insane.
look around and try to push it all out as much as you want. There's always going to be a little bit of oxygen or a little bit of carbon dioxide left in your lungs.
So cool. Kind of funny, look at him. That one is on the other one. He's like pushing him down. That is actually kind of funny. See what's in here. Wow. Oh, look at that. Boom, boom. They're so fast. Dang. I see sharks. I see sharks. Everybody, I see sharks. Look at that. That's a barracuda down there. Yeah, that's a barracuda. What year is that?
They're sharp.
The rows of teeth. That's crazy. You see that? There's like 3 rows of teeth. Look, there's a barracuda. See that thing? There's groupers up there. This is crazy. I need more eel. It should be down here. Shark down there like that.
It's coming this way.
Is it?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
oh, you're here.
Look at that. Front view of a barracuda.
You know the speech? Maybe sharp minute. Maybe try to yell
See that? They're actually an invasive species here. That one is huge right there. Pretty terrifying. Their looks and everything.
right?
Yeah. Well, they're venomous.
Oh, venom.
Yeah, because venom, the difference between those two is venom has to be injected, poison has to be consumed.
It's in the things on the top, right?
Yeah. Those little spikes, even on the sides too. And that's why they're invasive, because they're killing all of the species in the water, because nothing can beat them.
Yeah, ugly looking stuff.
They're really cool looking at the same time. Can't even tell with the glasses, basically. What happened to that guy? He's got no eyes. You see that?
Mm-hmm. Still alive though.
I don't know about that.
Just missing an eye.
That one is missing an eye too. That's really weird, yeah. Batfish. Batfish, that's what they're called. They're called batfish. Yeah, they're really weird.
Never seen that before.
Never seen a batfish? Look at this. So silent. See, there's like so many fish just swimming around. There should be an eel in here. Yeah. There should be a moray eel in here, I'm pretty sure.
That's good.
That's gonna be hard to spot.
Yeah, that's good.
Could be in plain sight and we don't even know. Because of the colors of this kind. Eel.
Anytime it does that, just pop back to the camera.
I know it's. I saw it up there. I'm saying, do you see it? There's parasites swimming around. Good for them. They actually.
It's the same tank as the other
You
side.
see those little white things floating
The
around?
other side of the tank.
Really?
Yeah.
You see those little white things?
Yeah.
Those are actually parasites, but they're actually kind of good fish.
Oh, look.
There they are again. Oh, look at that. Damn, they're huge. That's crazy. Ooh. Look at this, the hallways. Definitely haven't seen hallways in an aquarium before.
Shark open.
Where? Oh, yeah. Those little yellow ones swimming around, they face off. Imagine catching that on camera. Probably like once in a million. That was cool. Look at that dude. And that's the end of that section. Next up, morphed. Oh, look at this. Right away, you're greeted with the same black lights. This is awesome. Wow, those guys. Look at that. Look at these ones. See here, over here. Wow.
Yeah. Fit.
Glass catfish. Oh, there's a glass catfish up there. See them? What else? It's gotta be in here. I think I see some right in there. Some of these guys. See them? Those guys right there on the rock. There's still fish, surprisingly enough. There's tons of them in here. That's crazy. That's electric eel. Wow. You don't want to get shocked by these things. Bioelectricity. Painted frogfish. How did I not notice?
What is it?
It's a frogfish. You not see it?
I see it. I just know what it is.
Look at him. Enjoy their day.
He looks like Leo, sleeping.
He does. You remember these guys? They like crawl on land and everything. Look, there's some right there, one right there, one right there. Who's camera shy? Look, you see that? Can't believe we got that on camera. Excuse me, sir.
Hey,
They definitely live up to their name. The four-eyed fish. Look at that. They're confused. Look at this. It's funny how they all swim on the surface. None of them submerge. This tiny little guy. Just, I don't think that's it.
no, that's a crab.
No, underneath it.
Oh, and
I don't think that's it. The mandarin fish are more colorful.
oh wait, something's over here.
That might be it. Yeah, that's it.
He's coming out. He's coming out.
Is it? That's adorable. He's so cute. Look at him.
Dude, look at those colors.
He's so cute. I want one.
That's so crazy looking.
Aww. Make sure your flash is off. Turn around. Axolotls! Axolotls!
It's so weird. They have
And gills.
feet and gills.
Great mixture.
Is it fish?
No, it's an amphibian. Like frogs. They actually evolve into salamanders.
Wait, what?
They actually evolve into salamanders. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I have to read up on axolotls.
Oh, it says a aquatic salamander.
Yeah. Okay. Frogs. Look at all of them up there. It's a ton.
Oh, bird food frogs.
Yeah, that figures. That's a great disguise. Ooh, look at these guys. Paddlefish. It's like if you turned a spoonbill into fish. Oh, look at that guy. Look. His mouth is open. Bro just got told some devastating news.
They have like 7 million fins.
Yep.
Yeah.
I've seen more, honestly. Sorry?
Wait, what?
They spit water up to kill their prey. Look. I don't know if I can show you guys. Look. Just wait for a little bit. You're looking at it. Oh, see? That one just did it. Oh, see? That one just did it. See, look, there it is again. You getting this?
Yeah.
You gotta put that in slow-mo after when you're editing.
Can't.
There they are. Look at this. They're so cool looking. Right?
Are they poisonous?
Yeah. These ones secrete poison. Your skin absorbs it, and then you die. There's almost no cure for it.
Did Coyote do a video on this?
Yeah, but he washed his hands after, so
Yeah.
he's good. Orange. And that one right there is black. And then there's another one that's blue. Okay, I think we're good. Look at that guy creating a whirlpool.
I walked on the bridge, but he was like right there.
Good job. Would you like to touch him?
Sure.
There you go. You can touch him right on the back of his shell.
Oh, wow.
He doesn't mind it. He's been doing this for about 30 years. Yeah, he's between 30 and 35 years old right now.
On a hiking trail on my camp, we actually found like this big turtle shell.
Yeah, so they can get over a foot large. Now he's full grown.
Really?
He's just small. Some of them don't get quite as big.
Look at them.
They can't distinguish them, right? How they do.
Hey,
Jeez.
should I try and pet it?
Monsters, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. He's playing with me. You're joking. I might get one right here. No, I won't. Come on, come on, and nope. Yep, that's good. Just out of reach. Boop. Boop your strange looking nose. Boop your strange looking nose. Okay. Apparently they don't like company. Male and female, most likely. Scorpion fish. Oh wait, four of them. Didn't even see that. There's 4 scorpion fish in this one little tank. Or big tank, I have no idea. Oh, you can see behind there. You can see behind there. I guess that's where they monitor them. Huh, there's his mouth. They look silly when they're upside down. Right?
Yeah.
See? It looks so weird.
Flashing you. Look at my foot.
Like fluffy?
Yeah.
Have you flashed at 55? Boom. Look at these guys. What is that? What are those? What are those? Damn. These things are huge. I'm liking this. There's juvenile American crocodiles though, or alligators. What's up, my boy? Look down real quick. Bro. Just gonna ignore me? He actually looks like a dinosaur though. That's the cool part. Doesn't he?
One just goes in, okay.
Hey, look at his little toes. I went to the salon the other day. The way that one is on the other. They're so cute. Ooh, snakes. Huh?
I'm exploding like that.
Yeah. Ooh.
Back.
Rat.
Treat.
There's one right there.
Yeah, that's the
See
rat one.
It's kind of cool because it's like you're looking at a living fossil because that's exactly how this one. Excuse me, can I talk to you for a moment? Excuse me. Hi. How did you like the show last night? Sir, last night a movie premiered in the movie theaters and we got news that you were there. Would you like to explain to us how the movie was? Good. Yeah, I thought so too. It was a little frightening. Okay, well, thank you for your feedback and we'll talk to you later. Excuse me, can I have a moment of your time? Okay, so I would like to know, what did you think of the premiere of the movie last night? Forgot what it was called, but what would you say about it? I agree. Excuse me, sir. I can see you're a little tired here. Yeah, that was a nice yawn. Can I have a moment of your time, please? Okay, so a movie premiered last night, and we want to get your feedback on it. I believe it was called a movie. I don't know. What did you think? What do you think about like the rating? You don't want to be on camera? You're a little camera shy? You sure? Okay, he was camera shy. Hi, there was a movie premiere last night and we want to know your feedback on it. What did you think? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, totally. Hello, sir. Do I have permission to put you on camera? Georgia. Oh. What do you think about this duck? He's just a chill guy. Okay. Great feedback. Thank you. Sir, do you believe you are a chill guy? Well, he nodded.
Are you a vlogger in the making?
Yeah.
Yeah. You seem pretty
Talking to
good.
this guy. So, sir, I believe you are like tired, right? Yeah. Okay. We'll leave you to it. See ya. Hi. Okay. You don't want to be on camera? No? Okay. Excuse me. Hi. Toby, right? Yeah, okay. I was wondering, what did you think about last year's political campaigns? I could agree, yeah. That's some good advice right there. I see you're less camera shy than you were before. This is your first time on camera? Excuse me, Spoonbill. Hi. I see you're cleaning, so I could give you a second if you want. Excuse me, hi. Hi. Can I interview you? I don't know what that means. Are you cleaning yourself? I don't know what's going on. Really? I'm just trying to interview you. Hi. What's your name? Hello. What's your name? Excuse me. Hi, can I have a moment of your time, please? Is that a yes or a no? Excuse me, Mr. Lemur, up there. Mr. Lemur. Excuse me, Mr. Lemur. Can I have a moment of your time? If you can hear me, please. Please stop showing me your butt. Excuse me, sir. Can you come over here real quick? Hi.
That's a gator.
Hi. Yeah, that's Gator. You're the only person who really wanted to talk, so. So what do you want to talk about? So, Toby, do you like where you are right now? Like watching people just look at you? So, it seems like you're in a moment of silence right now. Okay, sounds good. Hi, how you doing? It's a good answer, good answer. Yeah, we're gonna go interview the lemurs. What do you think I should know first? Good, good. All right, I'll make sure to do that. Thanks. Ooh, gar. There's some gar. They got some gar. Look, gar. Oh, there's gar. It's a lot of gar. Lemur, lemur, lemur. You want to get above you, the gators? Don't drop the camera. Look at that. How's your day going, mister? Good, good. I don't know where you're calling to, but we'll leave you to it. Okay. He enjoys it. Excuse me, sirs. Can we interview you? Mr. Julian, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Julian. Can we interview you? Yeah, he definitely can't hear us.
Hey.
He's so fudgy. No, okay. The way they sit is hilarious.
Look, 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 look.
Their body doesn't look to scale with their head.
Put it on the glass.
Excuse me, sir. Can we ask you a few questions? Mr. Julian. No, I guess not. Yeah. You see the little canine sticking out?
Yeah.
You know they're primates? Yeah. Means technically they're related to us.
See if I do it again. Put it.
Oh, they're lemurs. I love lemurs. No matter what they do, they're always cute. My puppet show. Hey Jerry, you want to go to the store? No. Why? Because I want to play video games. Why do you want to play video games? Because I want to play video games. Alright guys, overall this was a great aquarium. I love this. This is the Florida Aquarium. You guys can come at any time. It's a $40 ticket fee for each. So yeah, it's a little expensive. But definitely worth it when you see this entire thing. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.